Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to today's class. Today in this class, I will talk over some question that can be asked in your privacy examination from the topic, from the subject title 19th century novel. The students who are going to face privacy examination soon, you are requested to watch the class and share with your friends. And if you are not still subscribed my channel, you are requested to subscribe my channel to get more classes on literature and grammar too. So let's get it started with the class. Dear learners, first of all, I would like to talk over some questions from A Tale of Two Cities by Charles Dickens. From this novel, at first the question that can be asked to you is, what is A Tale of Two Cities? It can be asked, the answer of this question will be A Tale of Two Cities is a novel by Charles Dickens. অথবা এরকম কোশ্চেন হতে পারে যে who wrote A Tale of Two Cities? হ্যাঁ, তাহলে উত্তর কি হবে? চার্লস ডিকেন্স wrote A Tale of Two Cities. হ্যাঁ, নেক্সট কোশ্চেন হতে পারে যে when Charles Dickens was born. Charles Dickens was born in 1812. এমন কোশ্চেন হতে পারে যে when Charles Dickens died. Charles Dickens died 1817. এমন কোশ্চেন হতে পারে what is the lifespan of Charles Dickens? The lifespan of Charles Dickens is 1812 to 1870. এই ধরনের কোশ্চেন এখান থেকে from this title these questions can be asked. Next the question, তারপর যে কোশ্চেনটি আসে যে what was Boz was Dickens pseudonym. Dickens pseudonym. Next কোশ্চেনটা দেখো, what kind of novel is A Tale of Two Cities? A Tale of Two Cities is a historical novel. Why is A Tale of Two Cities is called a historical novel? Because the novel is written against the background of French Revolution. Next question, what is the setting of the novel A Tale of Two Cities? The novel is set in two cities, London and Paris. Who is the protagonist of the novel A Tale of Two Cities? King Louis XVI was the king at that time. Who is the king of England during this period? King George III. What is the Jacquard? It is the secret revolutionary society. How many Jacquards attacked the Bastille? 25,000 Jacquards attacked the Bastille. Who is Jekyll? Sidney Carton is the Jekyll. Who is Lion? Mr. Stable is the lion. Who are the four fierce figures? The four fierce figures are east, west, north and south. East, west, north and south. Next topic will be Jane Eyre. Charlotte Bronte. From this title, the question may be asked that who wrote Jane Eyre? তাহলে Charlotte Bronte wrote Jane Eyre. So when Charlotte Bronte was born? When Charlotte Bronte was born? This question can be asked. Charlotte Bronte was born in 1816 and died in 1855. এই ধরনের কোশ্চেন এখান থেকে তোমাদেরকে জিজ্ঞেস করা হতে পারে। নেক্সট কোশ্চেন দেখো, হোয়াট ওয়াজ দ্য সিউডোনিম অফ Charlotte Bronte? Charlotte Bronteর যে সিউডোনিম ছিল, ছদ্মনাম, সেটা ছিল স্যারা বেল। হ্যাঁ, উচ্চারণটা খেয়াল করতে হবে। স্যারা বেল, হ্যাঁ, স্যারা বেল ছিল তার pseudonym. What was the original title of Jane Eyre? Jane Eyre. Jane Eyre was originally published as Jane Eyre, an autobiography. Next question: Who is the protagonist of Jane Eyre? Jane Eyre. Jane Eyre herself was the protagonist of the novel Jane Eyre. What are the two elements blended in Jane Eyre? Romanticism and realism. These two elements, the elements are blended in Jane Eyre. What was the name of the school Jane studied? Lord School. Lord School was the name of that school where Jane studied. Next question: How many years has Jane spent at Lord School? Jane has spent 6 years at Lord School. What is the setting of Jane Eyre? The novel is set in the early decades of 19th century in northern England. Who is Edward Rochester? Rochester is the owner of Thornfield Manor and Jane's lover. Now, what is the Red Room? The Red Room is the frightening chamber in which Mr. Red died. It is cold, quiet, and lonely. Next topic, next novel is from 19th century novel. The next novel of today's class is The Tales of D'Urbervilles. The Tales of D'Urbervilles by Thomas Hardy. তো আমরা নাম থেকে বুঝতে পারছি Tales of D'Urbervilles is a novel and it was composed by Thomas Hardy. And Thomas Hardy was born in 1814 and died in 1928. এই বিষয়গুলো মনে রাখা দরকার, কোশ্চেন আসতে পারে। তো দেখো নেক্সট কোশ্চেন আমাদের, হোয়াট ইজ দ্য সাবটাইটেল অফ টেলস অফ ডারভিলস? টেলস অফ ডারভিলসের সাবটাইটেল ছিল A Pure Omen. A Pure Omen. Next question, who is Sorrow? Sorrow is Sorrow is Ted's Sons. Sorrow is Ted's son by Alec D'Urbervilles. Next question, what is the name of the village Ted's live? Ted's live. It was the name of the village was Merlaut. What is antinomianism? It is the belief that faith in Jesus Christ is above the moral law. Faith of Jesus Christ is above the moral law. Who is more sinned against than sinning? Ted is more sinned against than sinning. What date was fixed for Ted's and Angel's marriage? The date they fixed for their marriage is December 31, New Year's Eve. What is the end of Ted's life? She is hanged as punishment for murder. Angel leaves England from where? Brazil. What is the name of the old horse of Ted's family? The name of the old horse was Prince. What is the first thing Alec ever says to Ted? Well, my big beauty, what can I do for you? He said, coming forward. Charles Darnay is the protagonist of the novel A Tale of Two Cities. What is guillotine? The guillotine is a violent gallows used to execute the prisoners condemned to death. Who is the king of France during this time period? এই ছিল আজকের ক্লাস। আশা করি তোমরা বুঝতে পেরেছো। তো তোমরা এই প্রশ্নগুলি অবশ্যই উত্তর সহিত আজকের ক্লাসে দিয়েছি। তো এই প্রশ্নের উত্তরগুলি তোমরা দেখবে এবং পাশাপাশি তোমরা কিছু চরিত্র এই উপন্যাস এই নভেলগুলির চরিত্রগুলি সম্পর্কে তোমরা জানতে চেষ্টা করবে এবং সর্বোপরি তোমাদের জন্য বলবো যে সকল অন্যায়ের বিরুদ্ধে সোচ্চার হও, সকল দুর্নীতির বিরুদ্ধে সোচ্চার হও তোমার অবস্থান থেকে যতটুকু পারো, তাহলে আমাদের বাংলাদেশ হবে সোনার বাংলাদেশ। সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।